I really like stickers. They take something bland like a regular water bottle and they give it a story to tell. And as you can see, I have a whole lot of them. But how do you get all these stickers and where do they actually come from? Well, that's actually simple. All you gotta do is email companies that you think might have cool designs and ask if they have any to give out. Once you find a company that you want to ask for stickers from, open up your email and send them a quick paragraph explaining what you're doing. Here's the one that I made. It's pretty simple and you're gonna want to be more detailed with yours, but this should point you in the right direction. Quick disclaimer. It's gonna take a while for these stickers to get here, and not all companies actually send them out. So you're gonna wanna send a lot of emails if you want good results. But eventually, you're gonna have a lot of envelopes showing up. To give you an idea of some of the companies that you can ask for stickers, here's some of the ones that I did. I like to go with outdoor companies just because I like the way their stickers usually look. But you can do anybody you want. This is a lot of stickers, a lot more than I was expecting. It's gonna be hard to decide what to do with them all. If you emailed any companies and got surprising results, leave the names down in the comments and I'll be sure to check them out. And if you have any video ideas for the future, let me know those too. Thanks for watching.